Hello and welcome back to our channel, a new episode for AZ-104 Microsoft Azure Administrator Certification Exam. Today we are diving into some carefully crafted exam questions complete with explanation to help you understand the core concepts. If you have not watched our previous video, you can check our entire playlist which has approx 100 plus questions. If you are looking for comprehensive AZ-104 preparation resources, we have got you covered. Visit our website Tech Cloud Solution where you will find the AZ-104 PDF featuring over 400 practice questions to sharpen your skills, an exclusive AZ-104 course that mimics the actual certification exam experience, including detailed explanation for every questions, mock test and additional study materials to boost your confidence. Don't miss out. After watching this video, visit our websites and grab the AC104 PDF dumps or enroll in the course to get started. This is your chance to supercharge your preparation and achieve your certification goals. The link is in the description below. Question number 11. This question is a part of series of questions that present the same scenario. Each question in the series contains a unique solution that might meet the stated goals. Some question sets might have more than one correct solution, while others might not have a correct solution. You have an Azure subscription named Subscription Dev. Subscription Dev contains a resource group named RG-01. RG-01 contains resources that were deployed by using templates. You will need to view the date and time when the resources were created in RG-01. Solution. From the subscription blade, you select the subscription and then click Resource Providers. Does this meet the goal? The options are true and false. So the correct answer is false. So while you are in your RG-1 resource group blade, you have to click deployments. You will be able to see a history of your deployments for resource group. Question number 12. Scenario is same, but the solution given here is from the subscription blade, you select the subscription and then click programmatic deployment. Does this meet the goal? The options are true and false. So the correct answer would be false. The explanation is same as while you are in your resource group blade, you have to click deployments, then you will be able to see a history of your deployment resource group. Question number 13. Here the solution is given as from the RG-01 blade you click deployment. Does this meet the goal? And the options are true and false. So the correct answer would be true. Question number 14. In this question, the solution is given as from the RG-01 blade you click automation script. Does this meet the goal? The options are true and false. So the correct answer would be false. So automation script will not help in this case. Instead, you can select deployment inside resource group and see a history of your deployments inside the resource group. Question number 15. You have an Azure subscription named Subscription 1. In Subscription 1, you create an Azure file share named Share 1. You create a shared access signature named SAS1 as shown in the following exhibit. So you can refer the screenshot or the images, and the question it says if on November 2, 2020 you run Microsoft Azure Storage Explorer on a computer that has an IP address of 134.92.112.1 and you use SAS1 to connect to the storage account, the options are you will be prompted for credential, B will have no access, C will have read, write and list access, and D will have read only access. So the correct answer is will have no access. So the allowed IP address field doesn't include the IP address of the computer you are using to access the storage. The range defined is 134.92.112.10 to 134.92.112 to 50. So starting from 10 in the last octet and up to 50, while the computer IP address is 134.92.112.1, so 1 in the last octet. Question number 16. You have an Azure subscription that contains the resources shown in the following table. You can refer the table. So you need to configure Azure Backup Reports for Recovery Vault 1. You are configuring diagnostic settings for the Azure Backup Reports log. Which log analytics workspace can you use for the Azure Backup Reports for Recovery Vault 1? The options are Law 1, Law 2, C, Law 3, and D, Law 1, 2, and 3. So basically, Law is Log Analytics Workspace here. So the correct answer is D. So basically, the Log Analytics Workspace is independent of the location or subscription. Hence, all Log Analytics Workspace could be used here. Question number 17. You have deployed in Azure an application app 1 on two Azure virtual machines named VM1 and VM2. You plan to implement an Azure availability set for app 1. The solution must enforce that app 1 is available during planned maintenance of the servers hosting VM1 and VM2. What should you include in the availability set? The options are 1 update domain, 2 fault domain, C 1 fault domain, D 2 update domains. So the correct answer is 2 update domain. So from time to time Microsoft plans maintenance events in order to update their hardware and software. Sometimes the servers need to be rebooted during the maintenance events, which means that VMs running on these servers will be rebooted as well. In order to avoid having both VMs rebooted at the same time, you can include two update domains in your availability set configuration. Each VM will be part of a different update domain. A rebooted update domain is given 30 minutes to recover before maintenance is initiated on a different update domain. Question number 18. You have an Azure storage account named storage-01. You plan to use AZ-copy to copy data to storage-01. Which of the following are valid storage services in storage-01 that you can copy to data? The options are A. Blob, file, table and queue. B. Blob and file only. C. File and table only. D. File only. And E. Blob, table and queue only. So the correct answer is B, that is blob and file only. So easy copy is a command line utility that you can use to copy blobs or files to or from a storage account. Easy copy does not support table and queue storage services. Question number 19. You have an Azure subscription named Subscription Prod that contains a resource group named RG-01. In RG-01, you create an internal load balancer named LB-01. You need to ensure that an administrator named admin1 can manage LB1 and is allowed to add a backend pool to LB1. The solution must follow the principle of least privilege. Which role should you assign to admin 1? The options are A. Contributor on LB1, B. Network contributor on LB1, C. Network contributor on RG1, and D. Owner on LB1. So the correct answer is C. So the network contributor role lets you manage networks but not access them. The network contributor role includes Microsoft Network slash all action. So any action included in Microsoft dot network provider. This action will allow admin-01 to create a load balancer backend address pool or update an existing load balancer backend address pool. But in order to create the backend pool is not enough to have network contributor access to the load balancer itself. You also need read access over the virtual network and the virtual machines you have to attach to the backend pool. And additional, you need some write permission like Microsoft.network slash virtual networks slash subnets slash join slash action to join the VMs to the backend pool. So the least privilege role you can assign to admin 1 is network contributor on resource group. Question number 20. You have a .NET Core application running in Azure App Services. You are expecting a huge influx of traffic to your applications in the coming days. When your application experiences this spike in traffic, you want to detect any anomalies such as requests, errors, or failed queries immediately. What service can you use to Azure that you know about these types of error related to your .NET application immediately? The options are A. Application Insight Search, B. Log Analytics Workspace, C. Client Side Monitoring, and D. Live Metrics Stream in Application Insights. So the correct answer is D. So live metrics stream includes such information as the number of incoming requests, the duration of those requests, and any failures that occur. You can also inspect critical performance metrics such as processor and memory. I hope these tips and tricks help you feel more confident for your exam. And don't forget, you can download the PDF and take a real exam simulation on our websites. Check the link in the comment section. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more in depth exam prep, and let me know in the comment how your preparation is going. See you in the next one.